guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Maria Quick. In today's cooking vlog, I'll be sharing with you another simple chicken recipe. For sure you will love this because it's easy to do and yet affordable. So, if you're ready, let's get started. In this recipe, we need chicken thighs, potatoes, chicken broth, lemon, cooking oil, salt, ground black pepper, honey, and butter. After we washed our chicken, pat with paper towel to get it dry. Season with salt and ground black pepper. Peel off the potatoes and slice them into cubes. Soak them in a bowl with water. Finely chop the spring onions and set aside. In a medium-high heat pan, put cooking oil. Start searing by putting chicken thighs in the pan. Wait until it brown crust, then turn it. Now, it's time to start building our sauce by adding chicken broth, lemon, and butter. If the butter has melted, you can get the chicken thighs and set aside. Now, put the potatoes in the pan until it makes tender. At this moment, we will add ground black pepper to make it more flavorful. I want my lemon pepper chicken to be different, so I add small amount of honey. Now stir and wait until the sauce thickens. Arrange the potatoes to the dish pan together with your chicken thighs. Pour in the sauce and bake for 15 minutes over 325 Fahrenheit. And we're done! Can't wait to eat this with rice, guys! Now you can garnish it with spring onions. And now, here is our lemon pepper chicken. I hope you like this video. If all the ingredients are available in your kitchen, come on, cook for your family this basic chicken recipe. Oops, don't tell me that you don't know how to cook. All you have to do is to start right now. So once again, this is Maria Quick and see you on my next cooking vlog. Bye!